Apple cider vinegar (ACV) has many healing properties, but the focus of this video is on its potential benefits for acid reflux and gastritis. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation. Low stomach acid, or achlorhydria, can contribute to acid reflux. Proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, are often prescribed to treat acid reflux, but they can mask the underlying problem of low stomach acid. Low stomach acid can lead to various digestive problems, including bloating, belching, burning, flagging, indigestion, food allergies, and extreme fullness after eating. A simple test to check your stomach acid levels involves taking baking soda mixed with water and seeing if you experience belching or burping. If you have low stomach acid, you should avoid large portions of food, high-fat or spicy foods, caffeinated or carbonated drinks, and lying down or bending over after eating. Being overweight can also contribute to acid reflux. Certain medications, such as antibiotics, aspirin, and NSAIDs, can also cause acid reflux symptoms. ACV can help restore the balance of stomach acid and may be beneficial for those with acid reflux. Note, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before using ACV to treat any medical condition.